So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can customize your own Godot theme. Let's get started. So first of all, there are basically three major steps that you need to do. So number one thing is you need to click on editor settings, and then you just need to go to your theme here, and in the theme section you need to select your color here. So right now I have selected this color. This is 1A3322, and this is basically green color. And the number two thing is the accent color. The accent color will be basically this color, the orange thing, orange buttons, everything will go into orange. And the same thing that you can basically apply with any color you want. So for example, if I do this, you can see the whole accent color will get changed to the pink color. You can see that here. And then you can also adjust the contrast of your color that you have already selected in the base color. Like for in my case, I am selecting the green color, so the contrast will get more reduced if I decrease the slider, and if I make it increase, the contrast will get more increased if I increase the slider. If you prefer, you can also enable draw extra border. So this will help you in classifying things. So you can see this white border in everything around it. So this makes it more like a much more better accessibility feature. And there are way more options that you can just customize here. There is also some pretty simple themes that come with Godot that you can select from here as well. Now let's go for the editor here, and now we need to do some three major changes here. The number one change I am going to tell you is about changing your font. The whole Godot is basically depends on how your font manages with your current Godot theme. So if you prefer different font, you can also change the same font from your Godot here. So you can just click on this plus icon and choose any font you like, and you need to have a bold font and a main font and the coding font. So yeah, that's it guys. So these are the three major settings that you can do to make your own theme in Godot. And now you can see the theme that you have applied is also applied on your code. Your uh, the font of your code also gets changed, and it looks much more better to see different kinds of customization that you can perform with your engine. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please do a subscribe. I regularly make videos on Godot and game development and art, so please do follow me on YouTube. Thanks for watching.